Welcome in Terroirs by Adeline. We are right in the heart of Burgundy. We are in Beaune actually. Here, this is Edinburgh. I'm running a food and wine lab where we are offering food and wine experiences for any wine lovers and any gourmet. Today, I want to share with you one of our favorite favorite snack called Gougères. So, to make the Gougères, actually it's a chou dough. So you need very simple ingredients, basic ingredients. So here we are, a cup of water, so 250 millimeters, a pinch of salt, sea salt or kosher salt, unsalted butter, love butter, and then you need a 3/4 stick actually of butter, 1 cup of flour, which is 125 grams, 4 eggs, just got the eggs from the local farmer, and then grated cheese. So you can use Gruyere cheese, cheddar cheese, aged cheddar cheese preferably, but I use Comté cheese because we are in Bourgogne-Franche-Comté. And this small amount of cheese will be for the topping, so to get a crispy, yummy Gougère. So we are on a stove, medium-high heat. You have your cup of water, the pinch of salt, and then the butter. So we are looking to melt the butter into the water. So as soon as you have all bubbles on the rim and then all the butter is going to be melted, we're going to add 1 cup of flour. So here we are, we have our butter totally melted. So the next step is adding 1 cup of flour at once, really important at once. And then you're going to mix thoroughly until you get a dough, look like a ball actually. Here we are. And then the magic is, then you're gonna have a pot almost clean, see? Nothing is on the bottom of the pot, which is a good sign. And so this is our workout. So you mix this for 1 minute. Okay, so now we have our dough kind of dry because we just dry on a stove for a minute. So now we're gonna dump the dough into the mixer, into a stand mixer. And so we are going to mix the dough for about 1 minute just to cool down the dough. The dough is cool, and then we did that to avoid the need to make any scrambled eggs, because now I'm gonna add the egg, 1 egg at a time. So you crack the egg in a separate bowl just to avoid to put any bad eggs, and then you add 1 egg at a time. As soon as the egg is totally incorporated in the dough, then you can add the second one. Now it's ready to put the second one. So see, the 4 eggs have been added to the dough. The texture, what you look for is a mayonnaise texture, so this is exactly what we have right now. And so now it's time to add your flavoring. So you can add grated cheese, so this is what I'm going to do today, Comté cheese, but I love to add smoked salmon, chopped smoked salmon with fresh dill. You can add bacon crumbs, mushrooms, any type of cheese that you like. Okay, so today it's Comté cheese. The good stuff as well is Parmesan cheese and truffle oil, super yummy. Good stuff for Christmas time. The dough is ready. So now the next step is like to go in the oven, but before you're gonna make the presentation. This is a pouch. I'm using that kind of pouch, pastry pouch, with a pipe at the end. You can totally use 2 spoons as well to make it more rustic. And then I'm gonna put this pouch over here and then fill the dough into the pouch. Now the dough is ready to be piped on a cookie sheet with a parchment paper. I just took out the clip, okay? And so my tip to just stack the parchment paper on the cookie sheet is using some dough as a glue, like that. Voila. And now I'm ready to pipe. So very close to the mat, and then you push up. Try to space each Gougère for about 2 inches, a small 2 inches, or 3 centimeters. Voila. Final step, just adding some grated cheese on top of each Gougère, just to make a nice crispy topping. And then I see you in 25 minutes. They're gonna go in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. See you then. 25 minutes in the oven, they are ready. Here we are, the famous Gougères, super cheesy, super tasty. So all you need now is open a bottle of Chardonnay and have a glass of Chardonnay with this super yummy Gougères.